I'm Alonzo Thompson, Chief of Police for the City of Spartanburg, South Carolina. During this time of crisis related to the COVID-19 virus, the Spartanburg Police Department remains committed to serving the needs of our citizens while engaging in practices that reduce the risk of spreading the virus through close contact. We encourage citizens to help us to reduce the risk to the community and our first responders by taking advantage of remote reporting incidents that are not of an emergency nature. We will take every step necessary to maintain a high level of public safety. In that effort, we recognize that we must do all we can to aid in controlling the spread of the COVID-19 virus. The Spartanburg Police Department has implemented the following practices to help reduce risk to our personnel as well as to the community. The Spartanburg Police Department will handle calls related to property crimes by telephone. We will only respond to calls of a serious nature where there is immediate threat of danger. Our officers will only respond in cases where there's a need for immediate investigation or where there's a threat or injury to a person. Calls other than those related to murder, rape, robbery, arson, kidnapping, domestic assault, and assault in progress, or other calls where there is a threat of personal danger will not warrant an officer's response. We want to do all we can to limit unnecessary exposure to the public and officers. As things change with this crisis, the Spartanburg Police Department will adapt and make necessary changes accordingly. The Spartanburg Police Department is committed to reporting for duty and serving the Spartanburg community day and night, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year. If you have an emergency, please dial 911. However, non-emergency calls should be handled by calling 864-596-2076. Lastly, I would like to commend all for their sacrifice and efforts to get us through these challenging times. I specifically want to commend our business establishments, our bars and restaurants that have modified their business practices to safeguard those patrons and others who visit in our community. Thank you very much for your time.